after you've noted down your working budget, you do have to set aside a grocery budget, decide how much you're going to spend on grocery, and also the convenient need that you need at home. Have a menu plan. What is it you're going to cook, and why do you need that? You also need to know why you're buying things for, and what you're buying for the grocery is on the dependable income that you have. Note down ideas where you can save money, and also look for ideas where you can save money by do-it-yourself activities. And make a note of areas where you can save your bills, how you can, instead of buying books all the time, if you can depend on a library where you can borrow and use books too, it is a good idea. Also create a fund for travel, for medical, for fees, etc. Because suppose you know that the expenses for college fees and school fees is high, and you need to pay it. You don't have the option for 4-part payment. It's a 1-part payment. Now how do you save? Where do you save? You can open a recurring deposit. You can first calculate the amount that you have to pay. If the amount is let's say 80,000, multiply it by 3 and then divide it by 12 months. That will give you approximately how much you need to save for the month to pay your fees for the next year. It will also give you, and if you get the amount for 1 month, then you again multiply it by 15 so that you know how much you will get at the end of 15 months. That way, a recurring deposit helps you to pay your fees on time. You did not have to depend on others or feel it very hard at the end of the when all the fees and the bills are coming together. You can save and have your amount ready too. Same applies when it comes to paying insurance or once in a year. Same applies to how you can create a travel plan. If you're planning to go have a long holiday and you want to visit a different place, you can start by starting a recurring deposit of 5,000 every month, so that you have 60,000 at the end of 10 months. Then you can plan a good holiday. And everything that you need for your maintenance. Miscellaneous expenses could include your car maintenance, insurance, electrical maintenance, fridge, washing machine, whatever electronic instrument that needs to repair. And you have to note down what are the constant repairs that you face and why you're facing it. Is it if it is a constant problem, you can also learn to do it yourself. That way you can save money. And also skills to be learned. Same yourself. Money is how to change the washer in a tap. You can also learn how to learn exercises to self-repair. I can also learn a lot of things, but basically it is to note down ideas where you can create a working budget that will help you in the long run. Because the idea behind the working budget is to help you create and save correctly. For example, when you get in your salary, you have to divide it into 3 parts. 1. Charity, 2. Pay yourself first, and 3 would be the expense. People mistake that what remains at the end of the month is savings. It is wrong. You have to put your savings, charity first, and then you spend the rest in expenses. And then it is easier for you to create a working budget. Noting down what are the main expenses from the 1st to the 15th of the month, what bills you have to pay, what be it rent, fees, travel, everything, petrol, Wi-Fi. You also have the internet charges, you have a lot of other things, all bills, all things, plus you have your sales crazy habits, whether you buy once in a year or you're going for every sale, whether you require it or not, that you will save the money. You buy it and you think you're saving, but you're not using what you buy. To avoid all that, you need a clear idea on a working budget. Hope this is useful. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.